TWINT is already a very popular one-time payment method in Switzerland. However, its use as a recurring payment option is also quickly rising in popularity. Findoc is the first to offer TWINT as a Salesforce native recurring payment option, and the results are pretty great. UNICEF Switzerland reported that in just 2 months, TWINT became the most popular recurring payment option for new recurring donations. So let's have a look at how we can support this in Salesforce with Findoc. Let's start at a Findoc giving page. Here we have options to donate one time or donate monthly with different amounts for each. Let's select a 25 franc donation with a monthly interval. Put in some of our details and select TWINT as our recurring payment option here. Once we hit donate, we are taken to a page hosted by SigSaverPay to authorize our TWINT transaction, which in this case happens automatically, and the donor is sent to a thank you page for confirmation. At the same time, all of this data is loaded into Salesforce in real time, so we can see the new recurring commitment right away. Findoc automatically creates a payment profile containing the account details and a mandate authorizing its use for recurring payments. And of course, we save it with the relevant payment method and the relevant payment processor. And of course, everything is managed from Salesforce. So if we have to change the amount or the frequency, we can do so right here on the commitment itself. So if we have to collect this TWINT donation alongside a lot of other recurring TWINT donations, what we do is we set up a schedule for that. In this case, we set it to a daily schedule, meaning we are going to send it to the processor every single day with the relevant payment method and processor, and the system automatically forecasts a schedule. In this case, because I've indicated that weekends should be excluded, it automatically skips over the Saturdays and Sundays in the schedule, and everything else is scheduled automatically. So every day, rather than just being a black box, the system creates a payment schedule. And a payment schedule's job is to manage this process from start to finish. So it's going to select the transactions that should be included. In this case, just one, the one that we just created. We can see that, we can see the total amount, and we can even have a look at all of the transactions associated with this run. This means every installment here is going to be included in the run. And we can even do data quality validation to ensure that we have everything we need for a successful collection. Right now, I'm going to manually press the button, although in a real-world situation, this would typically also be fully automated. The system is going to send it off to the processor for further processing, and that means that once we go to the installment, we can see that the transaction is marked as collected, meaning it was a successful capture. Underneath, we of course create the payment record to actually capture the cash flow, which also has the right payment method, the right processor, and of course the right amount. So that is a quick overview of how Findoc supports recurring TWINT within Salesforce for your recurring payments and donations. Thank you very much. And if you'd like more information, visit us at findoc.com.